what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got for you guys, basically, I'm gonna get in the center here, but basically, I'm gonna show you all just some essentials that you all could get for college right now that are under $100, and they'll be under $100 pretty much forever. These ones really aren't gonna like go up in value or anything, but this video will help you guys whenever you're watching it, and just kind of showing you all some items that you guys can get that are a little cheaper, and kind of make your dorm maybe look a little more roomy, kind of give it that more college feel, and some things you'll really need going into college that I found important, at least for them. My first couple weeks, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna consistently be using these. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If y'all want more videos like this, you guys can subscribe below. I'd appreciate that, and also drop a like in this video. Let's try and hit, I said to do more college videos, but let's try and do let's see if we can do 200 likes on this video, and I'll definitely bring y'all another one. I got like a day in the life probably coming up, and like some other content like that y'all will see for sure. Just stay tuned, and yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. So I'm Tristan. You guys can also, if y'all want to, I forgot to even mention this, but if y'all want to, you can check my Instagrams down below. I completely even forgot to say, but if y'all want to go check those out, I'd appreciate a follow there. We're gonna hit 6K in the personal soon, which is dope, so thank you all. Can't even thank you all enough, but yeah, that's pretty much everything I gotta say now. So we'll get into this. I hope you all enjoy, and let's get started. Alright, so the first essential that I really found, and this one was under $100, just kind of one I needed, because I did have an AC system in my dorm, but the thing is that it still got really hot at some points, and something I found to be really useful was this Amazon fan right here. It's basically one, it's super easy to set up, and you really don't need any batteries for it. The only thing you need the batteries for are actually the controller right here, but basically this Amazon fan right here, I found to be really useful. Yeah, you could like turn it up with different settings. It has like this little knob on the side, so you can like, change it, and then it has like a timer so for like how long you want it on, all that. It's a really nice fan actually, and it wasn't too expensive. It was under $100. That's all you need to know. I think it was actually around 50, but it didn't take long to set up. It didn't like require any like external anything. You really just plug it into the wall like it is right here. And yeah, this one just kind of one I got it like rotating. But even if your dorm does have AC, and if it doesn't, you definitely should get get a fan like this anyways. But this is just one I recommend, and also like a box fan too. But if your dorm doesn't have any AC, then you and your roommate should try and get one. Obviously your boy doesn't have a roommate, your boy's chilling by himself, so he's gonna have to add some stuff up there to make it look more roomy on that side. But yeah, first recommendation I got right there is definitely like a standing fan, or just a fan of some sorts, because even if your room got AC, my AC only goes down to 70, so at night it can get really hot sometimes, and after like parties and stuff, you don't want to be super warm, you know what I mean? But let's get into the next essential. I'll show y'all. All right, and next up, this one was like a definite essential. I easily put this one here. I had no problem with it. Is these ready-made pastas, literally, because you're gonna need a microwave and freezer. Obviously, your college will probably put that like in the instructions for like stuff you'll need, so you'll probably be bringing that anyways. But these literally are so easy to make. Literally, all you gotta do is like just order these. They're literally just like mini pasta packets, ready-made pasta. And literally, what you do is you tear the top and you literally put it in there for like 60 seconds, and it heats it up like perfectly normal, and then you literally would just pour it in like Tupperware. You could add like a marinara sauce, anything like that. It's like simple, and it's like they're really good. They're not like unhealthy or anything. Just like pasta, like prepackaged pasta, and basically you can just tear it off the top, and yeah, they literally just put it in for 60 seconds, and then you got pasta made like that. So if you really just like kind of someone that likes pasta, or just want something a little different, these right here are an essential. And it's basically, you get ramen too, anything like that, just kind of the normal. I'm just trying to spice it up a bit for y'all, show you something different. These are fire. These taste really, really good, so I recommend these heavy. I think you can probably bulk order off Amazon too, or something like that. Maybe even they may have a website, I don't know, but these gas, you can get them at Walmart too, and pretty much anywhere. They're just gas. Alright, and next up, what I would, this one also too, if you got a lot of shoes like me, you like collecting your shoes, I got like one pair right here, just kind of like on like a shelf right here. But basically what I'd recommend for you all getting is a sneaker shelf if you got a lot of shoes, or some sneaker shoebox organizers. And basically what they look like is something, like here's the one that I'm recommending down below. Y'all can go check it down below. None of this is sponsored. I'm not getting paid for dropping any of these links. I'm just leaving them there for you all if you want to actually go check them out and actually buy them, because I'm dropping some suggestions for y'all. Basically these ones, these are under $100, and this is like a bunch of like basically containers you would just stack on top of each other. And you could organize your shoes that way in your dorm. You could just just set it up probably under your bed or something, or next to it. You know, you'd have enough space to do something like this. Or you could get like a sneaker shelf where actually you can like stack up like a few pairs on like an actual shelf. You can get those like from IKEA, and they might be on Amazon too, but there's not like many of them, I don't think. But you can go check it out. There's actually probably plenty of options, but that one I recommend is just kind of like the shoebox organizers. You can just like stack them up, very easy to use, and you know, that will definitely give your dorm maybe more of a more organized kind of feel. And I definitely like that one. So sneaker shelves, definitely. And the next one I recommend, now obviously for my room, I got a little bit of decor, you know, I got some like just app stuff. I know people are like, oh, you know, that's like too frat, you know, that's like, or whatever, but nah, definitely not. The reason I even have those there is just, you know, kind of show support for the school. So what I recommend, another one, is just getting like some room stuff, and obviously you'll need like some command strips to like hang up like banners or like things like this. I'm picking up the camera again, I'll just leave it up like this. But if you want stuff like this, obviously you could probably buy it online for whatever school you're going to, and basically you could just support your school that way. And you know, it's just kind of like that, you know, giving the room more of like a, I guess, like theme and a little bit more of a vibe. That's the reason I have these two things there, and you can see they're both different styles. I just kind of put them up on the wall to, you know, to occupy some space on the wall. You know, you don't want them to look plain. Like I got them looking plain on this side. That's why I want to add, like, go get like a Supreme towel or something, or like something cool and add it up there. You know what I mean? So just like go get some stuff for your school online. Obviously, there's probably plenty of stuff online for your school, like banners and things like that, under $100. You most likely will be able to find these ones in person. Actually, they'll probably have like a student store or something. Go to that, and you know, buy some stuff for your room, get it looking nice. And that's just another thing I recommend. You want your room to look kind of, you know, theme, looking nice. So buy some support, you know. And next up, another thing I would recommend that you all could get or definitely look into. I find this one to be useful maybe if you're like going to a lot of classes, or you're not in the dorm a lot, you know, you're out and about maybe a lot. Even with the quarantine stuff going on, you're just, maybe some of your classes, you know, are at different places, and you can't charge your phone and everything at like, you know, one time, one place. What I'd also recommend getting is a portable charger. Here's just one I'd recommend down below. I don't know if I'll pop up a picture, but just get like a portable charger. There's one from Amazon, I'll link down below, that has good reviews. It's not too expensive, it's like 25 bucks maybe. But yeah, definitely another one under 100 right there. And a portable charger I find to be useful. The one I'm also linking down below is for like Samsungs too. So, you know, if you're an Android user, I got you. I've been looking out. But yeah, I'm an iPhone boy. But yeah, basically, portable charger definitely recommend getting, because if you're on the go and your phone dies, you know, that always kind of sucks. That just, you know, you don't want your phone to be dead. That's just another one to recommend. And next up, I would also recommend down below this Supreme organizer pouch. I'll pop it up right here. This one I also recommend as an item that you all could look into. It's easily $100, way under 100. And this one, you know, you can just organize maybe whatever you need to organize. This is what it's for. It's basically a pouch you could carry around some stuff in. So like maybe just whatever you would need to. So like maybe pencils, school supplies. I don't know. Maybe you can fit notes. Probably could. You know, you can fold them up. Sheets, whatever. Like I don't know. Whatever you need and like to like do, it'll basically like organize it for you. So I just find this one to be useful because, you know, and it's also in two colors. Like there's like a red and black one. I think there's a few others also, but just mainly I found like an organizer pouch, mainly like kind of like a pencil pouch thing, just kind of like a useful thing if you like organizing pens, pencils, things like that. This one will do that for you. And next up, I would also recommend, I'll link the exact one I got down below, but a comfy chair for your room. Now, here's your boy's comfy chair. And you know, we sitting on it, and there you go, the comfy chair. And basically, you know, you can just chill here, and it's just kind of like another seat. Again, just kind of taking up some space in the room. I found this one to be useful, you know, if I have maybe someone in the dorm that could chill here, you know, I'll be there, we talking, whatever. Or I don't know, just it's kind of adding more space. Now I got 3 chairs, so if I'm having 3 people, now someone else has somewhere to sit. Yeah, you know, just a comfy chair. It's just something like, it's a vibe, and it's comfy. So it's actually really comfy. So I mess with this one. Shout out Amazon. And yeah, you know, I definitely recommend getting something like this for your dorm, because I saw a lot of people with something like this, and I was like, you know what, I want a red one because red's my favorite color, so why not? And I just was like, you know, because since everybody was getting on, I was like, I'm gonna hop on the trend. I need me like a comfy chair or something. So yeah, I know some people got like way bigger ones, but this one I mess with. It's just not too big, not too small, and yeah, it's just right. So go get you a comfy chair. You won't regret it, because you can just chill here sometimes. It's a vibe. And finally, a last thing that you all probably noticed I didn't have yet. I'm definitely gonna look into this one, and I'll probably actually be buying this exact one right here. So it's a rug, or just like a carpet of some sort. It's like a rug or carpet. Just, it really adds more of a roomy kind of feel, more home kind of feel to your room. I noticed, like, I just kind of got like the hardwood floor on like here right now, and I'm just like, dang, you know, it looks more like a dorm right now than it does kind of like, you know, like my room, my place. Like with adding the chair, adding like the banner and stuff, you're making it look more like your room, and that's like the whole purpose of this. So definitely getting a rug or something is just kind of gonna add that that kind of feel to it. Trust me, and I'm definitely gonna look into that because, like, you know, I like my dorm so far. Like, I've made really good progress. Like, I like didn't have anything really like prepared at all to like make my dorm look nice, and like in the last like week I've already made like a lot of progress, so I'm very happy about that. But kind of just going over something, definitely get like a carpet or rug. Just, you won't regret it. It's gonna add that kind of room feel. And whenever I get my carpet or rug, I mean, y'all gonna see I'm gonna be flexing it because, I mean, shoot, it's gonna be comfy, you know. You see the one, if you go check the one I linked below, it's a really nice one. So that's really all your boy has to say. Those are really some essentials I'd recommend right there, all under $100, some college essentials you need this year, what you should be packing, kind of like, not even what you should be packing, just what you need, man, what you need to bring and get before you know come. So that's really all I gotta say. So I'm T, let's roll it outro. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys want more content like this, more college videos, again, I got you all. Just subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this. They'll be coming for sure. I got plenty of ideas just kind of in the vault, so just stay tuned. They'll be coming out the vault in some short time. You know, just wait. They'll be coming along. And if you also want to, again, let's try and do 200 likes for more videos like this. I'm pretty sure I just hit subscribe like 10 seconds ago, but my memory, of course, you already know, it's just perfectly great. So if I haven't said that already, go do that. And if you also want to, be sure you guys go ahead and check my Instagrams down below, because your boy's about to hit 6K in the personal, and I'd love, you know, if you guys give me a follow there. It'd really make my day, and I appreciate it. Again, it's not like I'm sitting there on my phone, like refreshing followers, like seeing, no, I'm not like that, but I would appreciate it, you know, for sure. So that's really all I gotta say. Leave a comment below about how your college going, or maybe anything like that. I'd love to hear it, but those are some essentials really. So I'm T, thank y'all for watching, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next vid. Peace.